Hey everyone, my name's Chelsea, and today I'm going to be showing you how to perform a strand test. What is it? Switching to a new color or coloring for the first time can sometimes be a daunting experience. You don't really know what to expect and may be nervous to dive in. A strand test is a great way to see your results with your new color on a small hidden section of hair before doing a full application. There are also strand tests for lightening kits, such as Lightworks. This will give you an idea of the amount of lightness you are looking to achieve or can achieve. Today we will be showing you a strand test technique for a Madison Lightworks kit. Do a lightning preview test to determine the approximate timing required to reach your desired degree of lightness. This is particularly important if your hair has been previously chemically treated. Create a test strand by selecting a 1/4 inch wide strand of hair from an underlying section and place an elastic band 2 inches from the root. Put on the gloves provided in the kit and use a plastic spoon or container to thoroughly mix a 1/2 teaspoon of lightening cream with 1 teaspoon of lightning activator. Apply mixture to the entire strand and start timing. After 10 minutes, wipe the strand clean. If the hair strand is not light enough, reapply the highlighting mixture and check it every 5 minutes until you achieve the desired results. Total processing time should not exceed 60 minutes. Rinse and dry the strand. Write down this optimal time duration to use when processing Lightworks. And there you have it! Once you see your final results of your test strand and are happy with the outcome, feel free to apply. From all of us at Madison Reed, happy coloring!